Ng'anyo mar jochiw thieth e kaonti ma Kisii mane onego chakore odiechieng' ma kawuono ochungi tok tend sirkand kaonti ma Kisii ochopo e winjruok kod jodito mag jochiw thieth. Kane giloso e kar thieth maduong' ma Kisii, jatend migawo mar thieth e kaontino mano Ronald Nyakweba wacho ni winjruok nobedo bang' ka tend sirkand kaontino oyie mar medo osara lakteche, jochiw thieth mag klinik kaachiel kod nurses. Makoro dhi kelo yot ne jodak makono nimar oganda mathoth tiyo kod ute thieth mag piny owacho e yudo thieth.
The strike has been called off, and we want to promise, and I want to promise my brothers who are here, that whatever that we discussed and agreed will be implemented in totality. So that is the commitment I'm making, and I'm making this commitment because we agreed and we are going to solve these issues amicably.
We want to state categorically that we have had a very fruitful engagement for the last few weeks. And as a union and unions that are represented here, we have agreed to extend time of the strike for 30 days so that the remaining 30 days, the government can have ample time to work on it, the issues that are remained. And I want to tell our members across board that from this week, that's what we have agreed. Dispatchment of promotion letters are going to come out. The reinstatement of nurses is on the process, and probably we have engaged them and we have agreed.
Mine is to tell the patients not to be worried, keep visiting our public health facilities. Services will be offered as we wish. The county is going to meet all the offers they have offered. That's all we hope for.